Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are. I'm just finished my work and cleaning my face, fixing my hair, then go to sleep. As I always guys, my night routine. Hi guys, how are you? What's this? What is this? Okay. I have my tea guys, my tea. It's not Nescafe guys, it's not coffee, it's a tea. Because I'm just finished my dinner. I drink tea for better sleep. How are you doing guys? I hope you're doing well. Fix my By the way guys, it's already February. February. The month of February guys. And February 14 is coming and it's heart day. Heart day. It's a rose day. February 14 is coming guys and it's Valentine's Day. Advance happy Valentine's, happy Hearts Day, happy Hearts Day to all of you guys. I hope we are celebrating Valentine's Day full of love in our hearts and wait, full of love in our hearts and yeah, just spread our loves, love each other, and the peace and love be with you. My hair guys, it's already long. And yeah. It's already February guys and time fly fast. Ang bilis ng panahon guys in Tagalog. But I want to speak English guys because some of my friends here is speaking English. I mean English speaking, that's why I need to speak English. But thank you so much guys to all my friends here. And for those who's watching this soon, subscribers. Please subscribe, guys, if you want to see me again. This is my hair, guys. Wait. This. This is already my hair, guys. It's already long. It's been 1.5 years that last time I cut it. See? Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching, and to all my friends who's always commenting on my videos. Thank you so much to all of you guys, and keep safe everyone. And yeah, this is my hair now, and I'm ready. I finish combing my hair, then I go to sleep. Thank you so much, guys, and as I always said, keep safe everyone, and take care of yourself, and see you in my next video. Bye for now, guys. Keep safe.